Welcome to Stockly POS and Inventory Management. You've made a great choice to take your business to the next level. Over this series of short videos, we will explore the features and settings that you'll need to get your business fully set up to use the software. This is the Getting Started guide. To get started, go to stocklypos.com and click the Try for Free or Start Your Free Trial button. Or, you may have been given a direct link to the registration page. Either way, you'll end up at this page. This is the Business Details page. Here you should enter accurate information about your business. For this example, we'll call the business ABC Variety Store. We can enter a start date, select Jamaican dollars as the currency, and even upload our business logo. For now, we'll leave the logo section blank as we can update that later in business settings. Enter the business contact numbers. Select Jamaica as our country. In the state field, we'll enter the parish. In our case, we'll say this business is in St. James. And for the city, we'll put Montego Bay. Zip code and landmark are not really needed, so you can put 3 zeros in those fields. For time zone, let's select America/Jamaica. Then click Next. On the next page, we have some tax settings. Only change these if your business charges GCT. In that case, you'd put GCT as the tax name and the percentage in this field. Below, you select the settings for your financial year. Does it start in January or another month? And for the stock accounting method, it's automatically set to first in, first out, which is the most common method. On the last step, it requires information about the business owner. For our example, business, let's create a character. Mr. Andrew Brown. Down here we need to create a username. The username can be whatever you want it to be. Then enter the email address that will be associated with the account. Lastly, we have to create a password and re-enter it to confirm. And that's it. Click register and we're done. Now we can log into our account, but pay attention to this. It won't automatically log us in, because in the username field, we have our email address instead. So let's change that to the username that we created earlier. And click Login, and we're in. Let's save that so it will be easy to log in later. This is your dashboard, business name at the top. And everything is blank now, but as we use the software, it will track our sales, purchases, expenses, net profit or loss, inventory levels, and lots more. Bear in mind that your account is not fully active until we verify your subscription on the back end. Once that is done, you can utilize all features of the system. Next, we'll look into these modules on the left.